we're gonna do a super duper speedy skull using some fusion white. Go all the way around the eye area, but not on top of the eye, because we're gonna leave that for the black socket. Over the nose, and then we're just gonna do a partial skull, so you don't need to do the chin area. Now I've got a sponge loaded with some orange and yellow with a little black around it, and this skull is gonna have a glowing, creepy eye. Next, grab some black and white. White on one side, black on the other for some fast teeth. You can just press them across the face there. And then you're gonna need some black for the nose. There, and I'm going to do black around the edge of the eye and under the eye. Then for the very last part, you want to do some black line work. I'm going to go like from up here, scowl mark, then here, here, here. We're going to do his cheekbone, and then we bring this in there, and then we can do some jaggedy edges across the top and the bottom, and a couple marks coming in like this, and you've got yourself one scary skull. Look this way.